Welcome dear students. In this lecture, we are going to cover the three definitions on simple random sampling without replacement and three theorems on simple random sampling with replacement. This is the last lecture on unit 3. Look here, this is standard error of sample mean in simple random sampling without replacement. The standard error of sample mean is given by root of capital N minus small n by capital N into capital S square by root n. This is standard error of sampling mean in simple random sampling without replacement. Next concept is sampling fraction. Small n by capital N is called sampling fraction and denoted by small f. Therefore, f is equal to small n by capital N. Next concept is finite population correction. 1 minus small f is called finite population correction and usually written as FPC. That is, FPC is equal to 1 minus f. This means this capital N minus small n by capital N is called finite population correction. Next is theorems on simple random sampling with replacement. Theorem 4 is sample mean is an unbiased estimate of population mean in simple random sampling with replacement. That is, expectation of small y bar n is equal to capital Y bar n. Proof is, we know that in simple random sampling with replacement, a unit is selected first, is kept back before the second draw and drawn so on. This is for every draw the probability is same. The number of units in the population size always remains as capital N, and if small y1, y2, yn units are drawn from capital Y1, capital Y2, capital Yn units of population with the probabilities 1 by n at each draw. Now expectation of small y bar is equal to this y bar is replaced with 1 by n into I is equal to 1 to capital N ai yi. 1 by n is, this is summation yi, this is n. This 1 by ni, I is equal to 1 to capital N ai into capital yi. We know that expectation of ai is equal to I is equal to 1 to 0 ai probability of ai. Since the random variable ai takes only 0 and 1. This is denoted similar to without replacement. 1 into probability of ith unit is included in the sample into plus 0 into probability of ith unit is not included in the sample. This is 1 into 1 by n plus 1 by n plus 1 by n so on n times plus the second term 0. This is equal to n times adding small n is small n by capital N. Substitute the value of expectation of ai in this form, we get the small n by capital N into yi, the n gets cancelled and capital yi remains 1 by n into I is equal to 1 to n yi is equal to yi bar n. Next theorem is variance of sample mean in simple random sampling with replacement is variance of y bar n is equal to capital N minus 1 by capital N into capital S square by n or sigma square variance by small n. Proof. Let the sample observations y1, y2, yn be independent and identically drawn from the population with the same variance sigma square. Here all the events are independent. That is, variance of y bar is equal to sigma square. We know that variance of y bar is equal to sigma square. Variance of y is equal to sigma square. Variance of y bar is given by variance of 1 by n into I is equal to 1 to n yi. This is y bar. The n comes out 1 by n square. Since variance of k into x is equal to k square into variance of x. This summation I is equal to 1 to n variance of yi remains here. Variance of summation I is equal to 1 to n yi is variance of y1 plus variance of y2 so on variance of yn. We know that variance of x1 plus x2 is equal to variance of x1 plus variance of x2 plus 2 into covariance of xy. Since the variables here, since the events are independent, the covariance terms vanish. So variance of x1, x2, xn remains. Here variance of I is equal to 1 to n terms remains here. This 1 by n square same. We know that variance of y is equal to sigma square. I is equal to 1 to n sigma square. This is equal to summation over the constant I is equal to 1 to n is equal to small n sigma square. This is n square in denominator. N square gets cancelled. Sigma square by n remains. That is variance of y bar is equal to sigma square by n. This is equal to capital N minus small n by capital N into s square by n. Look here, this is formula for population variance. 1 by n into I is equal to 1 to n y square minus n into y bar square n. And s square is equal to 1 by n minus 1. This is same like here. Only difference is n and n minus 1. Since these two terms equal, this n into n minus 1 s square n into sigma squares equal. N minus 1 s square is equal to n into sigma square is equal. From this sigma square is equal to capital N minus 1 s square by capital N here. Instead of sigma square, we can use capital N minus 1 by capital N into s square. Next theorem is theorem 6. In simple random sampling with replacement, the sample mean square is an unbiased estimator of the population variance. Expectation of small s square is equal to sigma square. As we know in simple random sampling with replacement, expectation of small y bar is equal to capital Y bar n. This is the fourth theorem. And variance of y is equal to sigma square. Variance of y bar n is equal to sigma square by n. This is the fifth theorem. We know that expectation of s square is equal to expectation of s square. This s square is sample mean square. Sample mean square. 1 by n comes out. Expectation goes in. I is equal to 1 to n. Expectation of yi square into n into expectation of yi square. We know that variance of y is equal to expectation of yi square minus expectation of y bar whole square. From this, expectation of yi square is equal to variance plus expectation of y bar square. This is equal to, we know that variance of y is equal to sigma square, and inside expectation of y bar is equal to capital Y bar n. Capital Y bar n. The square remains here. This is from equation 1. And expectation of y bar square is equal to, this is similar inside y bar. Variance of y bar plus, this is already y bar, this cannot be altered, this cannot be changed. Variance of y bar is equal to sigma square by n. This is from theorem 5, and this is y bar square n. These are the 3 and 4 equations. Substitute equations 3 and 4, that is expectation of y whole square, expectation of y bar square. In equation 2 we get 1 by n minus 1. This is the summation I is equal to 1 to n. Expectation of, look here, expectation of y square. This is expectation of y square. This is sigma square plus y bar n. Instead of expectation of y bar square, we can use sigma square n plus y bar square n. This is expectation of y bar square. This is expectation of y bar whole square. Sigma goes inside n into sigma square plus this is n into y bar square minus n into n gets cancelled. Sigma square remains here minus n into y bar square n. This minus term plus term vanishes. N minus 1 sigma square remains. This n minus 1, this n minus 1 gets cancelled. Expectation of s square is equal to sigma square in simple random sampling with replacement. Comparison of variances in simple random sampling without replacement and simple random sampling with replacement. We know that these are the formulas. This is simple random sampling without replacement, and in simple random sampling with replacement, variance of y bar is equal to capital N minus 1 by n into s square by n. This is we have proved here. This is variance of y bar in simple random sampling with replacement. We know that by comparing these two, the difference is n minus 1 denominator, n minus n here, n minus 1 here. Since the sample size is always greater than 1. Okay, this is greater than 1. So suppose let us take capital N is 5, small n is 2. Capital N 5 minus 2, this is 3. Similarly, this 5 minus 1, this is 4. So 3 is less than 4. Therefore, variance of y bar in simple random sampling without replacement is always less than variance of y bar in simple random sampling with replacement. So this sampling technique is having less variance and it is better than this technique. Up to this, unit 1 completed. From next class onwards, simple random sampling, stratified random sampling technique we are going to discuss, that is unit 3.